Hello everyone, let's take a look at it today. Automatic 457 garment production line. First, the bending machine part adopts the integral steel plate frame, equipped with 444-volt motors to discharge PLC and display. The synchronous system is regular, 3.648, adjustable and detachable. Adopt the whole machine spray process, high-end brand accessories, electric garbage conveyor, 3 shifts. The output can reach 9,000 meters, 5-ton precision. Starting control of the whole machine with iron shape rowing plate, vertical material frame, 3 floor, 6 meters, storage up to 5,000 meters. The paving line part is divided into a release machine and a paving line. The paving line adopts mesh belt paving design. Ensure that the paving does not deviate. The machine system is 31 meters long, fully automatic encoder control. Adjust the operating speed at will based on employee operating proficiency, thereby increasing production efficiency. The machine head adopts hydraulic knife cutting design. No dust, fast, net weight, smoke free. 5 tons of domestic first line brands of electrical appliances. The sprocket wheel is made of quenched material, more wear resistant and durable. The direction and method of connecting plates can be freely customized according to customers' actual needs. Compared with traditional belt paving lines, this paving line has a